The question we are going to discuss today is: describe an emergency electrical power generating plant for use in the event of a complete failure of the main electrical power and make reference to location, starting arrangements, fuel, oil and its supply, cooling system, predict maintenance required. Location: it shall be located above the uppermost continuous deck outside the engine room. It should be readily accessible from the open deck. It should be located aft of the forward collision bulkhead. Emergency generator switchboard, emergency lighting switchboard and transformer units all shall be located in the same compartment. Starting arrangements: it shall have at least two independent sources of starting. Both of them shall be able to provide at least 3 consecutive starts. Should have an automatic starting system. Primary: should have an automatic starting system dedicated only to starting the prime mover, capable of providing 3 consecutive starts. Secondary: capable of providing 3 consecutive starts within 30 minutes. It should come on load automatically within 45 seconds after the failure of main power supply. Should give full rated power when the ship is upright and when inclined at any angle of least up to 22.5 degrees or inclined 10 degrees either aft or forward. Fuel, oil and supply: fuel to be available so that 36 hours of passenger ships and 18 hours for cargo ship supply to be maintained. Fuel flash point shall not be less than 43 degrees Celsius. It shall start and come on the load within 45 seconds after the blackout. It shall be started at 0 degrees Celsius or it shall have a heating arrangement. It shall be able to start in 22.5 degree list and 10 degree trim. Cooling system: the cooling system is a critical component of the emergency electrical power generating plant. It is responsible for cooling the diesel generator, which can generate a significant amount of heat during operation. The cooling system typically consists of water cooling system. This system uses water to cool the diesel generator and other equipments in the plant. The water is pumped through a series of tubes and fans to dissipate the heat. Air cooling system: this system uses air to cool the diesel generators and other equipments in the plant. The air is blown through a series of tubes and fans to dissipate the heat. Maintenance required: try out the engine weekly, change of engine sump oil, clean turbocharger suction air filter, change fuel oil and lube oil filter, check battery terminal voltage, check electrolyte in the battery, check alarms and shutdowns, check valve clearance,